Yo, GG Burton here, and today we are gonna get a new vehicle. Now, some of you will probably know what it is, maybe not. Well, I don't think you'll know at all. You'll think I'm going for a Ferrari or something. I'm going for a bit lower, just a tiny bit lower in the range. And get away, you stupid Porsche, cunt. Sorry to swear, but do you see that? You see that? He pulled straight in front of me. Knob. Basically, I'm gonna go right nearly to the end, but it's not actually gonna be the end. It's gonna be close to the end, but not the end. Just go along, keep going along, keep going along, keep going along, keep going along. There he is. It's a Nissan GTR Black Edition, even though it's in blue. Don't know why they call it Black Edition, but yeah. We're gonna get this car. So I do like Nissan a lot, as you probably noticed from a couple of videos ago, because I was talking about the Nissan Qashqai. So I do like Nissan a lot. So this is the GTR. I think it's 2012 edition. I think Black Edition. It's quite a good car, to be honest. I've had it once before or twice before in this game. It's quick. I do like it. It's when I hold the controller, the drive, it feels like better. It feels faster. It feels like it wants to like it'll just go through like a knife through butter. Like, you want some, or I'll kill you. Like, sort of that sort of thing. Because it is pretty quick. So, as you can see, I'm just going to have a look around the car for you guys. There it is around the front, on the side, and on the back. So, it's at night, so it may not be, the camera might not be picking it up right, but hopefully it is. It's quite quick though. I'm already doing 130, 140, I'm doing 150. It's quite quick, to be honest. Brake a bit, then I'm turning left here in a minute. There we go. Now we're gonna go onto the motorway where I can really bomb it. There we go. Very quick, get past that Volkswagen Golf GTI. Back there, one of the old ones. $180. Blimmin' heck, I reckon this will do 200 respect without even upgrading it. Yep, done 200 already. How fast will it actually go though? 100, 207, 208, 209, 210. Jesus Christ. Impeccably fast. Well, I think I just touched the back wing of it. My fastest was 223 going around there, so that was, I'm the quickest. So it skids quite a lot, mind. I quite like the car. I think it's very nice. Oh, I don't want to go across this, but oh well. But yeah, I think it's a very nice car. It's very quick. very stylish. And yeah, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment and peace.